Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the exact photo you want to change and preparing a working copy. Upload or import the JPG, PNG, or hike into your chosen AI image tool. Use a web app for speed or a local model for privacy. Once uploaded, create a rough crop and apply a simple mask to isolate the subject, because the model needs clear focus. Make sure to check resolution and file size limits and note whether the tool uses prompts, sliders, or examples to guide changes. Now you define what changes the AI should make. Pick a style preset or upload reference images and write a concise prompt that states the goal. Adjust parameters like strength, detail, and color preservation. Lower strength for subtle edits, higher for dramatic changes. Use the mask or layer controls to protect backgrounds or skin tones. Once done, run a coarse pass to generate structure, then refine with 1 or 2 fine passes, saving checkpoints so you can revert to better versions if needed. Finish by polishing the result. Perform denoise, adjust contrast and color grading, and use local touch-ups to correct small artifacts. Export at the desired resolution and format, and keep a layered or original copy for future edits. If things go wrong, debug systematically. Check the mask accuracy, reduce edit strength, or simplify the prompt. Rerun a low-strength pass to reduce artifacts. One quick troubleshooting tip. Reset to the last checkpoint and adjust only a single parameter to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.